Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert iPage to PDF. Search on Google Recovery Tools Email Backup Wizard. Click on Download. Install now. Select webmail. Enter iPage credential. Enter IMAP host details. Click on Login. Check the folders that you want to convert. Click on PDF. File naming option. Select destination folder. Trial version converts limited 25 items. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Detailed saving log will give you folder-wise data transfer count. Open destination folder for output. Converted PDF file.